Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I have some products to show you that were free for review, and these came together. I got 2 boxes of this brand is EVEELYN Aloe Vera Eye Masks. It's like EVEELYN, but it has an extra E, so I'm saying EVEELYN. And you get both of these boxes, not 1, but 2 boxes. And what's in these boxes are eye patches. So these are aloe vera eye masks, dermatologist tested for dark circles, puffiness, wrinkles, and fine lines. And there is 16 in each package. And it comes shrink wrapped, and they came together. They got a little smashed up in shipment, but I did open one so I could show you, and also we're gonna try it. So there's your 16 pair. And this is what one of them looks like. So you can see in there, they're green. So let's put these on. I have a towel right here. I have done review for this company in the past. And if you all remember, I did eye masks that were in a jar. So this jar holds 60 eye masks, so 30 pair. And I really like these. It's hard to see the labeling because of it's in gold. But they're very similar, a little bit different, but very similar. And these are just have the convenience of being able to take that with you instead of having the whole jar. I leave this when I'm not using it. I have this in my little refrigerator because I love them nice and cold. So you open this up, and there's a little tray in here. And there's your eye masks on there. And of course you start with clean skin. And then now some people put them on different ways. It really depends. Whoops. Some people put the bigger side over here and the smaller side here. And then some people will put the bigger side toward the nose. It just depends, you know, if you feel you need a little more attention here or a little more attention here. And then you can move them pretty close to your eyes. It smells nice. It doesn't have a strong scent at all. It's very lightly scented. It's very clean, like a spa scented. And the package is so pretty. That green, shiny green. And again, the name is EVEELYN, and it's aloe vera eye masks. And there's 16 pairs in here, quite a few. And I love that when you go to buy this, you get 2 packages. You get 32 pair, which is 64 actual masks. And the ones in the jar, you know, comes with a little spoon and all. They are very similar. I'll pick one out. I have a few left in here. These are thinner. I mean, you can see through them. They're really not necessarily thinner, but I'll put it up here on my forehead just so you can see. This one is more of a clear, and then these, so they're a little bit different. This one, let's see, it says hydrogel. This one is called hydrogel. And even though these are gel, but they're a little thicker. So they're just very nice. Let me see, I'll tell you it's in there. It has collagen and the aloe vera. It has sorbitol, hydrolyzed collagen, aloe extract, glycerin, oat kernel extract, and hydrolyzed wheat protein. And it's, you know, step 1, wash your face with warm water, open the package, take out the collagen under eye patches, and apply under your eye area. It feels so nice. I can feel it just soaking in. Gently press the under eye mask to create a snug fit and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. And then when you remove the eye masks, you just, it says to clean with water. Most of the time you don't really have to do much rinsing or anything, but this one says to do that, so you should listen to what it says. I don't think it would, I think it would be fine if you didn't. I often will fall asleep with these on. So, but I wash my face at night. I wash my face in the morning. Sometimes I wash my face when I get home too. It just depends on how the weather is outside. And it just says, it tells you the expiration and all. So Very pretty packaging. They feel very, very soothing. This one too. This one feels very soothing too. I just want you to see the difference, a little bit different shape. So I really like these, y'all, and they sent me a lot. So I'm gonna pick 3 winners. I'm just gonna send this to you in a card. That's it. It'll be easy to mail. I've got lots of giveaways going on. I just love to share with y'all. So I'm just gonna give you one. And that's really unusual for me, but that's what I'm gonna do. So if you like these, say, I always can't, I never can think of what to say. Let's do green, since they're green, GREEN. If you'd like to be considered to win, and all the rules are below. In the giveaway, they didn't send this to me to do a giveaway, so just read the description below. It's just the usual rules. YouTube has nothing to do with this. EVEELYN brand really has nothing to do with this. They sent this to me, and I'm giving you what they sent to me. So they are not responsible if you have a reaction. I am not responsible if you have any reaction. Test it first, and if you're the type of person that gets a reaction, test it first. I'll tell you, they're very, very soothing, and they feel very, very good. So thank you all for stopping by and seeing these lovely eye masks. They're like silicone. They're just really nice, really, really nice, y'all. I will tell you this, that it does say they were manufactured in April, and they are good until April 2026. So, you know, once you get them, you can put them aside or use them right away. I really like them. And you know, EVEELYN is giving me a code for 20% off. These are only $9.99 on Amazon for the 2 packages, y'all. That's a really good deal. For 36 applications, they're giving me a 20% off that will be in the description. I may put it in the title as well. And I don't know, but soon, Amazon Prime days are coming in July 10th, I think it is, 10th and 11th, or 11th and July 11 and 12, I think it is. So you never know, they may be on sale then, even more, they may. So keep a watch for that, and look for the discount code below. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.